I'm Stacy at Empire Mazda of Huntington, and I want to introduce you to our Assistant Service Manager, Ian, and we're going to talk to you about the importance of maintaining your vehicle, in particular your brake pad.
Yes, every time you come in, we do a multi-point inspection on the vehicle, and one of the points we check are your brakes. So you can either be in the green, in the yellow, or in the red. And then when you're in the red, that's when we start talking about replacement. You can see the different sizes here. And it's important to maintain checks all the time so you know exactly where you are with your brakes, because the lower you get, the longer it takes to stop.
What are some of the things that happen when you're not in the green or yellow zone?
It will take you longer to stop, and that's more potential to have an accident. Unfortunately, there are sensors in the braking system, so by the time you get to the red, you will hear that and it will let you know that it's time to get your brakes checked and most likely changed.
So a person can make their appointment online, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Thank you so much for that information. Everybody, remember to keep your eye on your vehicle. Make sure it's in good working condition at all times.
All right, so make sure you come down to Empire Mazda of Huntington for all your service needs, where you are treated like royalty.